talk about which roller is right for you. Foam rolling is one of the fastest ways to get in tune with your body to release pain and tension and trauma. But the problem is that most of us are using something like that. There are 4 different densities to foam rollers, and a lot of us use the firmest one, which makes foam rolling feel really, really painful because it's just really, really hard. So in order of firmness, this is the high density / firm density roller. See the texture, you probably know it, you probably love it or don't. This is gonna be a really hard tool to use because it's not very comfortable, but at least it's smooth. The nervous system likes something that's like smooth and glidey. Instead of those bumpy rollers, it's like that, you know what I mean? This one, medium density. Look, it's got a little bit of give to it. It's still firm, it doesn't really bend, but it provides satisfying pressure without feeling like you want to really tighten up against it because it's just like punching back against you. This is my favorite roller, probably because I like a lot of sensation and I'm really used to foam rolling. I don't use this one. Next up, the soft density roller. If you are buying a soft density roller off of the internet and it says soft density, but it doesn't show pictures of it bending like this, then it is not the one you want. This one has a ton of give to it, but it still holds up under your body weight. It'll last you like at least a decade. So just invest in the really high quality $60 one, okay? I have links for all these too. Last but not least, the super soft foam roller. I can't put this thing anywhere without marks being made in it because it's so squishy. A really, really gentle pressure roller. It's ideal if you just really don't like a lot of sensation. It's also ideal if you are 250 pounds or over, because think about it. The heavier your body is, the more pressure you have. The harder the object, the more pain you're gonna have. This is literally called the super soft foam roller. Okay, to recap, people who love a ton of sensation. Sensation, by the way, should feel challenging but tolerable. It should not feel painful. People that like a lot of sensation but don't want to be hurt by it. Totally suitable for hypermobile people. People that are a little bit more sensitive to pressure but still want to get the job done. People that are very sensitive to pressure but just want some gentle movement and blood flow of their soft tissues. Don't get a bumpy roller, get a smooth one, and don't get one that causes you pain. There's just no reason for it. Your nervous system responds better to ease. Okay, hope it helped. Mwah!